For today's video, I will discuss to you guys about Filipino hack, inserting cuttings into a slice of banana trunk. Filipino plant hack, root cuttings in banana trunks. Traditional plus natural propagation technique. Want to root plant cuttings with zero soil or chemicals? Let me show you a powerful Filipino trick using a banana trunk. Why this method works? This age-old method is widely used in rural Philippines because banana trunks are full of moisture and natural rooting hormones. All you need is a freshly cut banana trunk, your plant cutting, and something to keep it snug. Here are the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Slice a narrow vertical slit into the banana trunk about 5 to 6 inches deep. Step 2. Insert your cutting gently into the slit. Make sure at least one node is inside the moist trunk. Step 3. Secure it with string or plastic, or leave it as is. It will self-hold due to the fibrous texture. After just 2-3 weeks, your cutting will develop roots inside the trunk. The banana acts like a natural greenhouse. Want even faster rooting? Add a few drops of diluted coconut water or molasses onto the slit before inserting your cutting. This is a tried and tested trick from the Philippines, and it still works wonders today. Like, share, and follow HORTIKNOW for more global gardening wisdom.